right, guys, today's the day. Excited. We're finally gonna be replacing this guy right here with this one right here. As I mentioned, I had a company reach out to me called Xensuri, and they have a cold plunge and cold plunge chiller that they asked me to try out. Always willing to do so. I think cold plunging has been great. I've been doing it for years. I highly recommend it. So right now I'm going to have to drain the old one, get it moved out of the way, and then we'll set up the new one. I'll film the unboxing and tell you what I think about it after it's set up. Let's go. Whew, got it aired up. That's a workout in itself right there, huh? Yeah. All right, quick size comparison. Not everything's about size. So compared to my old one, it is a bit shorter, maybe 8 inches, 9 inches shorter, but it is definitely bigger around. You can see there's the old one. Here's a new one. For size comparison, I am 5'9". This one comes up about to here. This one here. This one I actually have to put some steps in front of to get into. This one I can get into just by climbing in. Because it's wider, it has a lot more room in here. But if I'm sitting on the ground, this is how far down my head goes. With this one, can't get in it because it's full of water right now, but when I squat down, this is about where I am. And if I sit down, you can see the comparison to both. So this one, you can definitely really only get one person in to be able to sit down. This one, you could definitely probably fit 2 people in because it's wider, but it is shorter as well. So some of the other things that it comes with, right here we have the lid. This is exactly like the other lid that I had from Inflatabarrel, except this one obviously fits the top of this one. You can see if I actually set it onto here, it is like quite a bit too big for it, like I was saying. Also, come down here, we got a Xensuri warranty card. Open it up, get a nice little message for you right here. And here's the warranty card that goes with it. You have the chiller manual here, some pieces and parts for putting it all together. You have your in hose, your out hose, little tool here, although I suggest using a home wrench if you have one, and then all the pieces and parts to get it together. A filter, a sediment filter. These are usually, I can't remember, 50 micron, I think it is. I also have one of those on my old one, but I had to get it all pieced in part. Each part I bought individually online from Amazon and put them all together. So this should be pretty cool, having it all in the same thing. Here's what the chiller unit looks like. Got a nice big fan in here. Control board. You kind of see a little bit inside right there. All right, so I'm gonna start putting this thing together now. All right, so we got it plugged in. There we go. Pretty simple. I don't see any big leaks right now. There's the sediment filter. Everything went together pretty easily. However, what I did, this was sitting on the ground and got soaking wet. That's the instructions. So I'm gonna work my way through these instructions and try to get the temperature set on this thing. Check back. All right, guys, we got it all set up. We're gonna hop in, see how it is. Now it's cooled down. Whew. Whew. Oh, there we go. That's nice. All right, guys, here we go. Round number 2. Not much hair left on top there to throw back, but damn, this water feels good. Nice cold plunge. Nice and roomy, really wide. I'm kind of floating just off the bottom here, and my shoulders are underwater. It's a good room. I like it. I like it. Nice cold plunge, really comfortable. Highly recommend, especially for the price. The price is banger. Seriously.